She's had that smile on her for about 2 weeks now, and she claims she's never going to lose it.
Manual Junior Dallana Orantes-Herrate has reasons to smile. She recently earned the title of being a regional and state champion. What does it feel like to be able to call yourself a state champion?
I'm happy to be a state champion.
And while she's happy to have the medals, possibly winning the state title wasn't the expectation coming into the season. In fact, this was her first year bowling. She even defeated the 3-time reigning state champion to earn the title. You are aware that winning a state championship is pretty hard to do, right?
Yeah.
I've played a lot of sports in my time, coached a lot of different basketball, softball, baseball, and yeah, championships are great. But this is more satisfying to see a young lady or a young guy that's in our program succeed, and they feel that they're part of the regular programs.
This is the second year of the Unified Bowling Program at DuPont Manual High School. Orantes-Herrate is one of 2 adapted bowlers for the Crimsons, with 7 other unified bowlers. And since she's been on the team, head coach David Wallace saw just how much bowling made her feel.
She's happier. Like when she first started, she'd push the ball down the ramp, and she didn't really have any emotions one way or another. And then maybe the 4th time she pushed it down the ramp, she got a strike, and I just like, you knocked them all down, and she just started smiling ear to ear, and she's been smiling ever since. Wouldn't you say that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Being a state champion is one reason to smile. Another reason, getting school-wide praise from the student body is another.
The kids at Manual will treat her like the state champion she is. Just to see the smile on her face, that's the whole thing. That's what it's worth.